Hello everyone. Today we will see a tutorial on how to use the Biofrequency Generator Pro equipment. With your device, you will find 1 power cable, 6 cables for the channels, 2 cylindrical electrodes, 1 pair of footbeds, 4 small metal plates, 4 large metal plates, 1 program catalog, How to connect the cables to the device? Each cable has 2 ends. One will be connected to the equipment, and the other to the electrodes or plates. To connect the cables to the equipment, take the end with the 3 holes at its tip and place the groove upwards. Once located, insert the tip into the channel and screw it in. At the other end, place a small metal plate on each clamp, gripping the black strip. Remember that each plate goes over a specific body area or around an injury. You can use the channels as needed. How to turn it on? Connect the power cable at the back of the device. Press the switch. Press the on/off button on the front of the device. The device has 4 function buttons and a numeric board from 0 to 9, where you can enter the program number. For programs 1 to 99, you must enter leading zeros, for example, 0, 0, 8. For numbers greater than 100, enter them normally. Operation of the device. Once the cables to be used are connected, perform the startup process and enter the program number. When the board shows that it has loaded correctly, press the Start/Pause button. The screen will display the question, "How many cycles?" where you can enter a number from 1 to 9 to repeat the same program at the end of the time, that same number of times. Next, the device will start emitting the stimulus through the electrodes, and the green LED will remain on. To activate different channels, press the channel selector button, and the blue light on each channel will indicate that it is active.
Se van activando.
At this point, the electrodes should be in contact with the patient or the location of the injury. It is important to ensure that the intensity knob is at a minimum before starting the program. Gradually increase the intensity until the patient feels comfortable with the stimulus. The equipment has a speaker button that allows you to listen to the program's frequency. There are high and low frequencies, and the sensation in contact with the electrodes will be the same. To pause, simply press the Start/Pause button, and the lights will blink. At this point, you could safely turn it off. How to turn it off. Once the program with the selected number of cycles is completed, the device will sound 3 times, and the lights will blink. At this point, you can press the on/off button, and the screen will turn off. Always remember to turn off the device once the session is finished and press the rear switch.